Welcome to this short video that is going to demonstrate how you create a clipping mask using a shape in Adobe Illustrator. So at the top, I have the pattern or the fill or the object group that I want to fit into the clipping mask. And it consists of a group of rectangles, small, thin rectangles. And you can see they have already been grouped together. If I double click on it, you can see I go into the group. Let's exit the group. And then I want to use this green triangle as the clipping mask. So I'm going to select the grouped rectangles along with the green triangle. And I'm going to align them horizontal, align center, and vertical align center. Okay, to make sure that they're exactly in the center. And what you need to keep in mind is that the shape that you're going to use as the clipping mask, as the frame for the pattern or the grouped shape objects, it needs to lie at the top of your selection. And then you go Object, Clipping Mask, scroll down and you say Make, or you can use the keyboard shortcut of Control+7. And there we have created a clipping mask, and then I can drag it over so that it fits on top of an existent triangle that is the exact same size as the green one. And I select both of them and I just align them center to one another. And now it appears as though this triangle has got these lines, these horizontal bands or lines across it. I can always go into a clipping mask by double clicking onto that mask. You can see I've now entered the clip group, and then double click on a specific object to enter once again into the group. And now I can manipulate a specific shape, its width, its size, if I wanted to. And then I can exit by just clicking here at the top. And I can always release the clipping mask. It means I can kind of exit or extract all my objects from that shaped clipping mask by going Object, Clipping Mask, and say Release. And there I have again my grouped objects, and they are free from this triangle, which is just now non-visible. It has no fill and no stroke, but I can use it again by just creating a fill of it. And that is how you create a clipping mask.